Hello, this is lecture 11, sixth sem, maths 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. This is lecture 11, sixth sem, maths 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Let us see the theorems on closure of a set. See that now the theorem 1, the important theorem. Let x comma tau be a topological space. Full stop. Let capital A subset of x and A bar be the closure of A. Then the first result, A is subset of A bar. Second one, A bar is closed. A bar is closed. Third one, A bar is the smallest closed set containing A. That is, if B is any closed set containing A, then A bar is subset of B. Next, fourth result, A is closed set if and only if A is equal to A bar. So here the first result was given in 2019, whereas the fourth result was given in 2017. So the proof for this, first one, let A be the subset of X. By definition of closure of A, then A is subset of A bar. Even one example I can see for this to prove. Let X is equal to, suppose, A, B, C, D. To clearly understand that A is subset of A bar, I will take an example even for you to understand. Let X is equal to A, B, C, D, and tau is equal to set of X, 5, set of A, set of D, set of A comma D be a topology on a set X and a set X. Next, open sets X comma phi comma set of A comma set of D comma set of A comma D. Closed sets X minus X, X minus phi, X minus set of A comma X minus set of D comma X minus set of A comma D implies phi comma X comma set of B comma C comma D comma set of A comma B comma C comma set of B comma C. These are the closed sets. Let A is equal to suppose set of B, then A bar is equal to or closure of A. A bar is equal to X intersection set of closed sets, intersection of all closed sets containing B comma C. So this is set of B comma C intersection A comma B comma C comma intersection set of B comma C is equal to this is A comma B comma C. So containing B, this is B comma C. So what is this is now A is subset of indirectly A bar that we have in the first result. Next, this is an example to prove the first result. Next, second result, let A bar be the intersection of all closed sets containing A, but the finite intersection of closed sets is a closed set. I think it is understanding that now A bar is the intersection of all closed sets set of B. That means containing A. This is okay. Next, a finite intersection solve this. X is finite set. Here X is finite set. Set of A comma B comma C is a finite set. And intersection set of B comma C is also a finite set, whose intersection is also a finite set and is intersection of all closed sets is again a closed set. So that set of B comma C is also a closed set. This implies A bar is a closed set. Why? Because it is the intersection of all closed sets. So whose finite intersection is again to be a closed set. So A bar is now is the finite intersection of all closed sets. So that A bar is a closed set. Implies A bar is closed. That second one was completed. So third one, let A bar be the intersection of A bar be the intersection of all closed sets containing A and A bar is the smallest closed set containing A, smallest closed set containing A. So this is A and this is to be A bar. If B be next, if B is the closed set, B is the closed set containing whether A be the closed set or not, that is different. A bar must be the closed set containing A, and if B is the closed set containing A, then A bar is subset of B. Because B is the closed set and containing A bar is also the closed set. It is the smallest closed set. Automatically these two are the closed sets, so that A is a subset of B and also its closure A bar is also the closed set, whether A is the closed set or not. A bar must be, because it is the intersection of all closed sets, and B is any closed set, then automatically A bar is the smallest closed set. This closed set must be is the subset of B, the closed set. Next, fourth point. Let A is the subset of B and A is closed. A is closed implies, or then A must be subset of A bar. A must be subset of A bar. Even the example also we can solve, or maybe the from first one. Now A is subset of A, we know, comma, A is closed, then see that here A is subset of B and A is closed, the first set. A is subset of B and A is closed. Then what it will be? A is subset of X, not this is, so take the general set, right. A is subset of X, A is closed, then what it will be from the first one? A is subset of A bar. Whereas now in place of X I will take is A. A is subset of A and A is closed, then both are closed now. A bar is closed, automatically A is also to be closed, so that A bar is subset of A. A bar is subset of A, and clearly he is that X is subset of A. This X is closed like this. A subset of X, this is the bigger set is X, of course. Take this as equation 2 and this is 1. From 1 comma 2, A is equal to A bar. Again let A is equal to A bar, and A bar is a closed set because it is the intersection of closed set. Then A is closed. So take this as equation 1 and this is 3, this is 4. From 3 comma 4, A is closed implies and implied A is equal to A bar. See that? So by the examples also we can see the fourth result is to be proved. Next note, in a topological space, X comma tau, first one, X bar is equal to X. Second one, phi bar is equal to phi. Third one, A is closed. A is the closed set, implies and implied A bar is equal to A. A bar is equal to A. In bracket, A bar is equal to A bar. Actually, we have there in sets also A bar whole bar is equal to A, but whereas here is A bar is equal to A double bar is equal to A bar. Right. So here is the only one theorem. The next theorem we will prove in the next class. Thank you very much. So be practice this theorem even by taking an example yourself, because that must be the given set and the topology must be tau must be defined as a topology on the given set X.